In this video, we will update the NPM package manager for JavaScript or Node.js from 9.6.4 to 10.2.1 inside the Sail container based on Docker for local Laravel development. First of all, we will check the NPM version for Sail by doing this. Sail NPM version, it gives us 8.13.2, but when we check the NPM version for macOS, it says 10.2.0. So we'll upgrade by Sail build no cache to build the Sail container, which is based on Docker container, but there is always an error. So I tried to Sail build -- no cache and Sail build -- pull, but there is always error because Docker can't locate postgresql-client-15. So I root shell into Sail's Docker container to see if the postgresql-client-15 available or not. I used apt and apt get, but it is not found too. But when I search for postgresql-client, I find version 14, not 15. I think it's the problem. So I will use version 14 in Sail configuration. To set the version of postgresql in Sail configuration, we need to publish Sail configuration first. So I publish Sail configuration by this command. Then I changed PostgreSQL version to 14. Then I used Sail build no cache and it works. That's it. It worked. The problem fixed. Subscribe to watch new tech videos. See you.